Good morning. Good morning. This is not my normal morning. It is dark outside, and I am up at 5:30 in the morning my time. Um, I am up because you see this? That is not ash. That is calamine lotion. I got bit by a mosquito last night. He enjoyed me. Anyway, I am up because I told you guys on Friday that this Japan carry trade issue was going to cause a ripple effect, a lot of trouble, and that's exactly what it's doing. The market was down on Friday. I have not been trading. I probably will put in a trade today, just because you take advantages, take advantages, take advantage of things like this. Pardon me, I'm tired. I should not be up right now. I am up because I wanted to make this video and get it uploaded because it takes a very long time to upload onto Patreon. And I want to make sure I get it done before the market opens. We are down 162 points right now. We were down 153. Um, I just heard a chicken. I mean, a rooster or whatever that is. Okay, so let me see if I can explain this. The Nikkei is down heavily, and the Korean market had the Nikkei is down the